Hey everyone! In this video you'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Let's go!
Hello, my name is Gabrielle. I am 45 years old. I live with my husband, Mark. We do not have children. We live in a small apartment in the city. Every day, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I get up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I take a shower. After my shower, I dry my hair and put on my clothes. I usually wear trousers and a blouse for work. Then, I do my makeup. I like to keep it simple and natural. At 7 o'clock, I go to the kitchen. I make coffee and prepare breakfast. I like to eat toast with butter and jam. Sometimes, I eat cereal or yogurt. Mark also drinks coffee, but he eats eggs and toast. We talk a little while we eat. After breakfast, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Then, I put on my shoes and coat. I take my bag and leave the house at 7:30. I go to work by bus. The bus stop is near my apartment. I wait for the bus for a few minutes. The ride to work takes 20 minutes. On the bus, I look at my phone or listen to music. I arrive at work at 8 o'clock. I work in an office. I am a secretary. I answer the phone, send emails, and help my boss. I also organize documents and schedule meetings. My job is not difficult, but sometimes it is busy. At 12:30, I have lunch. I eat in the office cafeteria with my colleagues. We talk about work and our lives. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. After lunch, I go back to work. I finish my tasks and check my emails. At 5 o'clock, I leave the office and go to the gym. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I like to stay active and healthy. At the gym, I do some cardio exercises like running on the treadmill. I also do some weight training. Exercise helps me feel strong and energetic. I arrive home at 6:30. Mark is usually at home before me. He is a teacher. After that, I change my clothes and start cooking dinner with my husband. I like to cook pasta, rice, or chicken. After dinner, Mark washes the dishes, and I clean the table. At 8 o'clock, we relax. Sometimes, we watch TV. We like to watch movies or series. I really enjoy watching crime series. Sometimes, we read books or listen to music. I also check my phone and text my friends. I also have a hobby. I love painting. On weekends or when I have free time, I sit by the window with my canvas and paints. On Wednesdays, I meet my friends after work. We go to a coffee shop or a small restaurant. We talk about our week, share stories, and laugh a lot. Sometimes, we go shopping or watch a film at the cinema. I love spending time with my friends. It makes me happy and relaxed. At 10 o'clock, I go to the bathroom again. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I put on my pajamas. Mark and I go to bed at 10:30. Before sleeping, I read a little or check my phone. Then, I turn off the light and sleep. This is my daily routine. Every day is similar, but I like my life. Thank you for listening to my routine.
Useful vocabulary. Wake up. Gabrielle wakes up at 6:30 every morning. I wake up early on weekdays. Get up. She gets up after waking up. I get up at 7 o'clock on weekends. Brush teeth. Gabrielle brushes her teeth every morning and night. Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed. Take a shower. She takes a shower after brushing her teeth. I take a quick shower in the morning. Get dressed, put on clothes. Gabrielle gets dressed before breakfast. I put on my jacket before going out. Make breakfast. She makes coffee and prepares breakfast at 7 o'clock. I make breakfast for my family every day. Wash the dishes. Gabrielle washes the dishes after breakfast. Can you wash the dishes, please? Leave the house. She leaves the house at 7:30. I leave the house early in the morning. Take the bus. Gabrielle takes the bus to work. I take the bus to school every day. Work. She works in an office as a secretary. I work from home on Fridays. Have lunch. Gabrielle has lunch at 12:30 with her colleagues. Let's have lunch together tomorrow. Go to the gym. She goes to the gym 3 times a week. I go to the gym after work. Cook dinner. Gabrielle and Mark cook dinner together. I usually cook dinner at 7 o'clock. Watch TV. They watch TV after dinner. I watch TV before bed. Go to bed. She goes to bed at 10:30. I go to bed late on weekends. Sleep. Gabrielle sleeps at 10:30. I sleep 8 hours every night.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.